Alright, so you want to install Xampp, and this is how we do it. First we gotta go and download the program. So we're going to go to, I'll just do this, Xampp, and it should be Apache Friends, yep. Alright, so I'm going to download this for Windows because, well, that's what I'm running right now. I'll click here, we want to download, and it takes us here. I want the installer, and you probably do too. So we click on this, takes us to SourceForge, and there we go. We can save this, and I personally like to put it right on the desktop. Alright, we'll save it. And now it's going to begin to download, 28%. And once it's finished, we can begin the installation. Alright, and it looks like it's running security scan right now and should be completed. So let me close this down. Here we go. Double click, run, and now begins our installation. Okay, so here we go. Standard installation. Next. Yep, we want that. Next. C:, yes, we want to keep it here. Yes. No, I don't want to learn more. Maybe you do, so you can keep that check, but, well, I don't. Next. Next. Alright, and here we go. Now it's going to do the installation, and this can take a little while, so once this is done, I'll get back with you. Okay, and here we go. We have it finished. It asks, do we want to start the control panel? Sure, why not? And here we go. And it's saying it will not start. But let's give it a shot and see what happens. So let's see here. And of course it's not going to start because it's not configured properly, but let's see what happens. And well, what happened is it froze. So let's go ahead and make it work properly. What we want to do is we want to go ahead and click on config, and we want to choose the first option. That's going to bring us here. So we want to listen on port 8080 because I know that's open. And we'll go down here, server name, localhost, port 8080. And we'll save and close. Now let's give it a shot. This time, like magic. What we can also do, stop. We'll wait for this to stop, and we'll go to config, and if we're going to run over secure, we go in here, listen on port 4411. We'll change that here, 4411, and here, 11. Save, close, start. And there we go. We can start our MySQL. And we can check. HTTP localhost 8080. There we go. Now, here we can select our language. I'm going to choose English. And here we are. We have our server up and running. And the PHP MyAdmin is up and running.